I did it. I had my first FPV experience and oh my goodness, this thing is incredible. I've got a newfound respect for anybody that flew FPV before this came out. It just makes it so accessible for an amateur like me. Check the video out. It's very basic footage. I played it very safe to start with. Big, large, open field. Got a little bit braver on the second flight into a wooded area, flying around through a few trees, a few obstacles. But yeah, check it out. I cannot stress enough how good this thing is. Enjoy. All the footage you're about to see is straight out of the box. I've made no changes to any settings on the drone whatsoever. Not the most exciting footage, I appreciate that, but like I said, this is my very first FPV experience, so I wanted to play it safe with a big open field. Here's a quick comparison with the Mavic 2 Pro in sport mode, and this does have an ND filter on. So here's a second location with some obstacles to navigate. The FPV in N mode, so all the sensors are on. Detected the bushes on the right hand side there, so it pulled me up. And here again, look, it paused as it picked the trees up. Taking it nice and slow. Again, it's picking the trees up there a little, so it's stalling me. Decent bit of speed in N mode. And now for S mode, so more speed and the obstacle avoidance sensors are switched off. However, you do still get a warning indicator in your goggle headset, which is still very useful. Yes, that was the tree. Doesn't count as a crash though, just an incident. now for the emergency pause button at full speed. It really does work. The drone stops almost instantly at any speed. And this is some footage with zero crop applied to it, full wide angle, and as you can see we're just picking the propellers up on the outer edge. The other footage I was cropped in at around about 115%.